How will I feel if this is being done to me? By asking yourself this question, you are self-reflecting. You are developing your consideration, and mostly you are in a process of transcending judgment. In order to apply the golden rule, it will support you to be less judgmental. Just think of it this way. May my words and actions be a reflection of my commitment to kindness, my commitment to compassion, to absence of judgment, and to consideration of others. And even if you have to respect someone for being difficult, if you have to respect someone for being inconsiderate, it's still a measure of respect. May I always consider the impact of my behavior on others and treating them with the same love and respect I wish to feel. So it's a gentle reminder. May I always consider the impact of my behavior, of my choices on others, treating them with the same love, kindness, and respect that I wish to feel and receive. And let me assure you, life cares for life. And when life sees that you are a measure of the golden rule, that the golden rule is reflected in every deed, every intent, every action in your life, I give you my word, and my word is my honor, that you will be supported beyond measure to achieve the acclaim and all the things that you strive for, that will give you that sense of worth. And the golden rule is a very good measurement of worth, because what you do unto others will be done unto you. As you sow, so you shall reap. What goes around comes around. So let's begin today, and let's consider the golden rule in all our choices and all our considerations with others, with self, with life, and let's see how the magic unfolds.